Enginetech stock replacement expansion plugs, also known as freeze plugs, are sold in kits and are produced using high-quality cold-rolled steel and are zinc-plated for optimum corrosion resistance. In addition to steel, we also offer a full selection of brass expansion plugs. Whether your rebuild needs a standard cup, reverse taper, disc, or deep cup design, Enginetech has the product coverage you need to provide years of leak-free performance. Whether it's consistent quality, technical attention, or expert service you expect, our teams work hard every day to earn and maintain your business. Additionally, same-day shipping and next-day delivery of our extensive, full line of products saves your company money and ensures you complete your jobs on time. Find everything you need all in one place visiting www.enginetechcatalog.com now. Enginetech, the engine builder's source.